What if there was a way to bridge the gap between when you need money and when your paycheck actually hits? Many of us have been there: an unexpected bill, a sudden expense, or just needing a little extra to tide us over. In today's financial landscape, a variety of apps and services have emerged to offer solutions for these short-term cash flow needs. Two such players that often come to mind are Cash App and Beforepay. Cash App, widely known for its peer-to-peer payment features, also offers a linked debit card, allowing users to spend the funds in their Cash App balance. It's convenient, widely accepted, and has become a staple for many in managing their everyday transactions. On the other hand, Beforepay operates with a different premise entirely. It's a wage streaming service designed to give you early access to your earned wages before your official payday. You link your bank account, and Beforepay analyzes your income and spending patterns to determine how much you can access, for a small fixed fee. The core difference here is crucial. Cash App facilitates spending your existing money, whether that's funds you've received from others or money you've transferred into your account. Beforepay, conversely, provides access to money you haven't technically received yet from your employer, but have already earned. It's essentially an advance on your salary. So, this brings us to the burning question: can you use a Cash App card for Beforepay? The short answer, and one we need to be clear about, is no, you cannot directly use a Cash App card for Beforepay. Let's break down why. Beforepay's model relies on direct access to your primary bank account where your wages are deposited. When you sign up for Beforepay, you are required to link the bank account that receives your regular paychecks. This is how Beforepay verifies your income and assesses your eligibility for an advance. They need to see your consistent income flow to determine how much you can borrow and to ensure they can debit the repayment directly when your paycheck arrives. A Cash App card, while functioning like a debit card, is linked to your Cash App balance, not your traditional bank account that receives your employment income. Even if you regularly transfer money from your primary bank account to your Cash App, Beforepay's system isn't designed to recognize or verify income through Cash App. Their algorithms are built to integrate with standard checking or savings accounts at traditional financial institutions where employers deposit salaries. Think of it this way: Beforepay is designed to work with your employer's payroll system indirectly, by seeing the deposits into your main bank. Cash App is a separate digital wallet. There's no direct pathway or integration for Beforepay to see your earned wages or to debit repayments from your Cash App balance. Therefore, while both Cash App and Beforepay offer valuable financial tools, their functionalities are distinct and not interchangeable in this context. If you're looking to use Beforepay, you'll need a traditional bank account where your wages are regularly deposited. Your Cash App card is excellent for spending funds you already have in your Cash App balance, but it won't unlock an early wage advance from Beforepay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.